5 mistakes stopping you from getting clients. Hey, beautiful people. Welcome to Tech with Bumi. Today, I'm exposing the 5 website mistakes that are secretly stopping your business from getting clients. If you have a website and you've been wondering, why is nobody contacting me? Why are my sales low? Why are people clicking but not buying? This video is for you. Mistake number 1, no clear message. The first mistake is a big one. Your message is not clear. When someone lands on your website, they should immediately understand who you are, what you do, who you help, and how they can work with you. If they don't get this in 5 seconds, they leave. Don't write, "Welcome to my website." For example, write, "I help small businesses grow online with simple website and visibility strategies." Clear, clarity attracts clients, confusion send them away. Our number 2 mistake is no call to actions. Your website has no directions. What do you want your visitors to do? Book a call, buy a product, fill a form, or contact you. Create one clear CTA and repeat it on every page. Book a section call, order now, send us a message. People need direction. Without it, they click right away. Mistake number 3, bad photos, poor designs. Your designs looks outdated or messy. You don't need to be a designer, but use high quality images, use only 2 to 3 colors, use simple readable fonts, keep spacing clean. People judge a business in a second. And yes, they judge based on design. If your website looks costard, customers assume your business is too. So change that. Mistake number 2 is social proof. No social proof at all. No testimonials, no reviews, no proof. People don't trust easily online. That's a keynote, so you know. They want to see results, hear from others, and confirm you are real. Add Google reviews, screenshots, before and after images, past clients, case studies, even one testimonials increases conversions. Mistake number 5, no mobile optimization. Your website doesn't work well on phone. Over 70% of your visitors come from mobile. If your website is hard to navigate, text is too small, or the buttons don't work, they leave instantly. Always check your website in mobile mode before publishing. If you fix these 5 mistakes, your website can start attracting more clients even while you sleep. If you want more tutorials on building your online visibility, website tips, and business growth, make sure you hit the subscribe button. This is Tech with Bumi, helping you become visible and unstoppable online. Thank you for watching, and see you